A high-capacity, high-efficiency trash compactor can cut bag volume in half and dramatically reduce weekly disposal trips for a busy large family household. Choose a built-in compactor drawer, sized to match your cabinet opening and rated for large volumes rather than a countertop unit. Measure interior cabinet depth and clearance, with the drawer fully extended, and allow for ventilation space behind the unit. Opt for a compactor with variable cycle settings and an automatic load sensing feature so the RAM runs only as long as needed, which preserves motor life and reduces noise. Pair the compactor with adjacent, clearly labeled recycling and food scrap composting stations using stackable bins or pull-out organizers, so family members separate waste at the source and you avoid contaminating compactable loads. Install a dedicated odor control strategy such as a sealed carbon filter cartridge in the compactor, and keep a vial of baking soda or citric acid sachets in the pullout to neutralize residual smells between changes. Make bag changes easy by choosing a unit with a drop-in bag retention collar and a low front lip so even children can help replace bags safely, and keep a spare bag roll in a nearby cabinet labeled for the compactor. For installation, position the compactor in a service alcove or a lower cabinet near the garage or side door to make curbside pickup or temporary storage of large compacted bags straightforward. 3 common mistakes are undersizing the unit and expecting a small compactor to handle the output of a large household, which leads to frequent jams and extra trips. Address this by selecting a high-capacity model specified for large families. A second issue is neglecting odor management, which makes the kitchen unpleasant. Use sealed filters, routine wipe-downs with a mild enzyme cleaner, and schedule bag changes before full compression to cut smells. The third problem is poor workflow planning, where the compactor sits far from recycling and compost stations, causing cross-contamination and wasted steps. Resolve this by arranging the compactor and separation bins within one motion path and labeling stations clearly so everyone follows the same routine. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and project resources related to kitchen and waste management upgrades, and we make it easy to post project needs and review responses. We also host a discussion community where we and other homeowners share real-world installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations.